Hi guys, how are you doing today? Today we're going to draw a nice flower. Its name is balloon. So for the drawing, let's start the process from the top part of this drawing page. So we're drawing the center of this nice flower like this. It's like a little star. Then we draw the outline like this in this drawing as you follow. So these are the petals which are radially distributed from the center. Alright, if we count, you can see that there are 5 petals here. In the middle there are some lines like this. We draw these lines for more elaboration of the drawings and the detailing of the flowers. Then you can draw the sticks like me, and the sticks is going to flow all the page to the bottom part. Then we will draw a little parallel line parallel to the previous one like this, and it will be the same as before and the same length. We can draw a branch here in the middle, and another flower we can draw. This flower we are seeing from a different viewpoint, so the design as you see here here it looks different. It's a little variation from the top one you see here. We can put different kinds of leaves here. Some are bigger, some are smaller. All these variations make these drawings a nice one. And the last one is here. Alright. Let's put the color for the top part of the flower. We can put color from the middle part of the flower. Usually all the drawings starts from the center. Okay. All the strokes here you see if the strokes are the same, then the drawing is going to be nice and uniform. The shades are going to be uniform. So few colors in the center and few colors in the border. So each of the petals is colored with the same color as we put it in the center. The flowers look nice, you see here. The top part is almost done. After completing this one, we'll go for the detailing of the second one. The first one is complete. Let's go for the second one. For this, we start drawing from here. Put the color, darker part at the beginning. Then the colors becoming lighter as we progress. Alright. For this holder, we put the dark green in the bottom.